What's up, guys? So here in a different scenery change for once, but just got the Saturn Sky tuned, and if anyone has been thinking about getting their car tuned, I definitely recommend it. It's a lot of fun. You can definitely tell the notice in power. I think for bang for your buck, that's your best bet, and money wise. So let's go for a drive and see how much different it is. So, driving it around normally, it feels the same. Honestly, if you're 10, 20, 30% throttle, it feels the same, which is kind of what you want. A car that's tuned correctly, like, it's gonna feel stock when you're just kind of cruising around. But we're about to get on it a little bit here. When you get on it, it definitely pulls a good bit harder. You definitely feel more power. It's considerably quicker than before, especially in that like 3,000 to 5,000 RPM range is where you really notice all the extra power. Above like 5,500 or so, it still pulls harder, but it's not as much of a difference, and that's just because the turbo is just too small for the high RPMs. If you really wanted that extra power at the very top, you need to swap over to a big turbo. But just driving around, it's great. I definitely recommend it. If you've been thinking about it, just go for it. It definitely wakes the car up, and I wish I would have done it sooner. That's the only regret, because I absolutely love this tune. But there's only so much I can say how much faster it feels. So I recorded a 60 to 120 on a private course of its stock, and now I'm going to do a 60 to 120 with it tuned, and to see what the difference is. Should be a noticeable difference, because it definitely feels a good bit quicker.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need.
As y'all saw in the last clips, the car is now 3 seconds faster, 60 to 120. That's kind of the best real world test I could think of. I could have also done maybe like a 0 to 60, but that's really mostly based on how you launch and how you shift. I feel like the 60 to 120 really showcased the power, just how much faster it was. The tune was done by RPM. There's a lot of different companies that do it. That's just who I went with. I'll put the link in the description for the tune. And yeah, the car is now way faster, more fun, and I definitely recommend the tune. If anyone was thinking about it, I say definitely go for it.